Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
And today we're going to go through a process to recalibrate the windows on Jill's Bronco. Now, the other day we had a altercation with another object. We as in Jill, object as in, we'll get to that in a later video. Actually remarkable of what actually saved the Bronco, and I tell you what, it's amazing to see what happened and what actually saved the vehicle. But during that process, something happened to the window where it doesn't work properly. So I'll show you right here. As you can tell, the window is not in the channel right now, and it's not because the battery's dead. It's because it's out of calibration. So if you guys don't know, the window is calibrated to accommodate for the the frameless windows. Most vehicles have that same calibration, and it's a particular process you have to do with the window. We'll see if we fix it with it or if it's a further
Like I need to go to the dealership.
Yeah, we're trying to make it simple without going to the dealership. It only takes maybe 5-10 minutes total, and we'll go through the process of being able to do it, see if it works. So I'll jump inside, or Jill will jump inside. You want to jump on the other side? Mm-hmm. So what first thing you got to do is you got to start up the vehicle. Go ahead and start her up. I'm going to close the window, or close the door. So before I do this, I'll tell her what she needs to do. Okay, so what you're going to have to do, you got the window, right? Yep. So what you do is you roll this window down, okay. Hold it down when it's fully at the lowest position, hold it down for about 10 seconds, then immediately go all the way back up. Once it's all the way up, hold it for about 10 seconds and do that twice and see if it recalibrates it. Okay. So first off, let me show you what's going on with this window. So go ahead and automatic roll down. It automatically rolls down, right? That's her not doing it. Now go to automatic roll up. It stops. It does not automatic roll up, as does the back one. Go ahead and roll the back one down. Now automatically roll it back up. See, right there. So something in here is out of calibration, meaning it won't go up any further during the automatic roll up. So go ahead and roll it all the way up and then start the process. And hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Automatically roll it back up. Hold it again for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's counting inside, 6, I bet, right
7,
now.
8, 9, 10.
She's counting. Do that twice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go all the way back up again.
1, 2,
and hopefully this fixes
3,
the problem.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All the way down. Try to roll it back up. Okay. So hang on right there. When you open the door, it'll roll it back down again. Perfect. So that is the actual fix. Let me get in this. Go ahead and roll the window down and shut off the car real quick. Actually, you can leave the car on. Go ahead and roll the window up. We'll keep the AC on since we have it. So I hope this guy, I hope this helps you guys. Is actually something I found on a webpage, Bronco G6 or 6G, sorry, whichever. And it actually works. So if you ever have a problem with that, do what we've said. it actually recalibrates everything, and it's for a lot of different vehicles. I know Ford vehicles have it, like the Mustangs and stuff like that. It goes for any vehicle, and probably a lot of the other brands as well, because there is a way they have to recalibrate the windows. It can't be through the computer. It has to be something simple. So it actually worked. I'm actually happy about that. There is a difference, and we'll probably go through it a later video if anybody's interested, on how to adjust the windows. Now, I've seen a lot of people talk about their windows are down a little bit further than they should be, and there is a way to adjust the windows. We should have went through a video when we had all the door panels off. I'll go through it with mine just to show you where it is at a later video if people are interested. It might actually help, because we actually have the the documents to be able to show you where they are and what the adjustments are and stuff like that. So
yeah,
that's awesome. Congratulations.
Yeah, I fixed my car.
Now, as far as the altercation with an inanimate object, we'll talk about that later. We'll make a nice video for her. It's actually pretty cute.
All I have to say is the product review that we done earlier about this product, this was stellar.
It was, yeah. We'll do a little bit more on that one later. Again, you know, hope this is helpful for you guys. Hope a lot of people get use of this, of how to do it and what you need to do. Now remember, go down, hold it down for 10 minutes or 10 seconds after it's completed. Go back up, hold it for 10 seconds after it's up. Then do that twice, and it will recalibrate your windows. Hope this is helpful. Again,
so
please.
Down 10 seconds, up 10 seconds, down 10 seconds, up 10 seconds, and you should be set. Do your automatic down, and then your automatic up, and it should just be fine.
Okay. Hope you guys like this. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hope you guys have a nice new year. We did. So.
Yeah, we did.
Up all night with the dogs and the fireworks.
Oh my goodness.
Anyways, catch you guys later.